Why I attended Apex was because I really wanted to take a gamble. My school, I didn't really know that many people, and I wasn't really used to the Vietnamese community being so large.
There was a year when I was really involved in UVSA at SWUVSA, and I met so many wonderful people. They became a family to me. I knew that Apex was going to be the same opportunity.
It's very rewarding, and there's tons of great people to meet.
Meet other passionate, inspiring individuals who share the same goal of making a lasting impact in the Vietnamese community.
I'm Annika Miata, and I'm the SWUVSA Secretary.
I'm Hugh Nguyen, and I'm the SWUVSA External Vice President.
I'm Leon Nguyen, and I am SWUVSA's Internal Vice President.
I'm Angela Tran, and I'm SWUVSA's President. We're happy to announce our annual Leadership Conference, APEX, is coming back to Arizona State University.